Hi, this is Crane from Captain America Projects. I have some outdated countertops that I'm hoping to make look more like cement countertops, and I found a system called the Deitch coating system where you actually paint on rocks onto the top of your laminate countertop. And I tried it out on a vanity and it turned out really pretty. So I'm hoping to do that to my bathroom too. So the color that I was lucky enough to get, because I got this on clearance, I wasn't sure what color I was going to be stuck with until they shipped it to my house, was a light gray slate. So it's very pretty, very pleasing to the color palette that's already in the room. Step one is just to paint on a base coat. So first off, I'm going to scuff up the tile a bit so it'll take the paint. It won't. Try to pop off as soon as I paint it. Okay, so I got my base coat open. They do supply a brush and they supply a roller kit and a paint pan along with the brush in your box, but I found that the rollers were really a pain to use. You're supposed to use the rollers to roll on an even coat over the majority of the surface and then just use a paintbrush along the finer edges. But I found using a paintbrush the whole time for all three steps, it works out to look pretty good, and I've been less frustrated with using the brush. So I recommend just using the brush. So I want to start off here with a thin coat, and you want to apply the paint so that it covers up all color underneath of it, because it's going to show through in the end. So here are the vanities and the tub surround after 2 coats of the paint. And I got pretty much everything covered up. You can't see any underlying colors. And I think that the paint might have some type of quick dry cement in it because the paint dries really fast. So you have to wash it off quickly. So the next step will be to paint on the minerals. And so that's, let me see here. Step number 2. So this step, you have to really thoroughly mix the minerals. Likes to separate quickly. So I mix it up until it all one good solid color. So now it's the consistency of ice cream, soft serve ice cream. And then I'm just going to use the paintbrush again. Get a nice thick coat and just coat it all over. You could see all those little rocks coming to light. So just a light brush. while you brush it on will do the trick. And if you don't like how bumpy it turns out, then after 24 hours, you can come by with the sandpaper and smooth it out. So here it is after step 2. All I have left to do is put on a clear coat. Okay, so we finally made it to step number 3, and that's going to be this clear coat here. So I'll just pop that lid up. Okay, and so it looks like the standard polyurethane coating. I read on the instructions to not let it pool anywhere. And so with the brush, I'm just doing a thin coat of the clear coat, and it dries pretty fast. I don't think that you have to wait 24 hours to put something on the countertop, but you might want to do that. And you can see, there may be spots where you want more minerals. So there's nothing to stop you from coming back over a finished surface and applying some more of the minerals and then another top coat. So here's the finished countertops. I'm very pleased with them. Have more updated looking bathroom, and all for about $100. Thanks for watching.